Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
Pizza.
Pizza indeed. Today we have the exclusive Little Caesars Mango Rush. Mango with a sweet heat flavor. Only at Little Caesars Mountain Dew.
So this doesn't really count as an energy drink.
It has caffeine. And it's big. And it's beautiful. Look at that beautiful can art. I mean, that is just, that is beautiful big orange can. Yeah. Luckily we got two of them. One for me, one for coffee over there. So that works out perfect. Anyways, let's look at the important factoids here, exclusively at Caesars. So if you have a Little Caesars, make sure you double check and pick one up because I think this will be cool. So anyways, we're looking at the important factoids. We got 210 calories. We got 65 milligrams of sodium, 57 milligrams of carbohydrate, 57 grams of sugar. We got ourselves 72 milligrams of caffeine. And that's about it. Not much else in the important factoids there. So, nice,
what's
simple.
What's our sugar? Is it just, it's not cane sugar, it's corn syrup,
It is
of course, right?
high fructose corn syrup, yep. So, hopefully, we will soon see BMWs actually learning to stop at intersections as one pulls out right in front of us. And also, hopefully, maybe we'll see some more not corn syrup, some more cane sugar sweetener varieties. That would be nice. So, I'll get both cans opened up here as we get ready to roll.
Swig in unison.
Yep. Oh, mine's full to the top. Nice.
It smells good.
Oh, it does smell good. Ooh.
Definitely what my throat needs with the. I'm not getting a lot of heat to it.
Wow, because let's see here. What does it describe it as? It says, dew with a blast of natural and artificial mango, sweet heat flavor. Yeah, so it's really kind of like a.
I think you could use more mango.
I think the mango is pretty good myself.
Yeah.
Nice and smooth, but it's almost like the mango's been like cooked a little bit because it's a little different for mango flavor than what you normally get.
It doesn't bite like a live wire.
Wow, but nice bubbles, nice and cold, nice smooth texture, smooth taste.
I'm not really getting a spicy taste to it. Are you?
There's a little bit at the back of the throat that it kind of gives you a little bit.
My throat may not be the best. Right?
Yeah, your throat might not be the best at the moment. But I think what it is like they kind of cooked it a little bit almost, is what they're going for. Is like it's like a little sauteed mango.
Sauteed
mango, maybe. Because a hot mango, that is a totally different taste than a regular mango, let me tell you. That is a wacky thing. Yeah. Not one of my favorites, but it is a different flavor, that's for sure. Well, I'd say
unique.
If you want to try Mountain Dew that you haven't tried before, that is definitely worth going and try because one, it's just cold, refreshing, smooth, and it's orange. And I mean that is just beautiful can to collect. So I mean that's awesome. So
for sure,
anyways, does it deserve a rating of any sort, or is it just good that you should probably try it?
I'd say RT.
RT? Okay. RT. Recommended, since it's a limited time, only at a certain store. You should probably go and try it out. I think it's
maybe just more for the can art, but it's
I think it's very tasty myself. So it's a different flavor that I haven't had before. So
if you had some crazy sticks with it and some deep dish, I mean it might taste better.
It might.
It might be part of it. It might be one of those drinks where you have to have it paired with your food to really get the whole thing.
Yeah,
so
that might be it.
Maybe that's what we're missing. It's
anyway,
possible.
I thought it was good. So anyways, that is it for us. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and check out the merch store. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.